Let's bring in our headliner today, Brian Belski. He's the chief investment strategist at BMO. He joins us live now from Minneapolis. Brian, welcome back.
Thanks for having us.
I want your opinion on what Paul Tudor Jones says. I mean, does the Fed need an immediate course correction? And is it time for all of us to perhaps be a bit more hedged than we are in the thought that inflation's really going to come roaring back?
Well, BGB at BMO thinks PTJ is just another macro person that has really not done very well the last 10 years. His track record the last 10 years hasn't been great being a macro person. And I think Josh did a great job adding some perspective to investors right now. You don't want to listen to someone that's making these short-term calls. Do I believe that the Fed's going to do anything this week? No, I don't think so. I think everyone's spot on that. Do I believe that the market's going to have a taper tantrum when they do? Yeah. I mean, that's like saying the sun's not going to come up tomorrow. But I think people are forgetting that the Fed changed its mandate last year at Jackson Hole, and they moved away from inflation and toward employment. Joe talked about 7 million jobs lost. We only got 4 million left. This is all about jobs, and we're already at inflation targets. This is about wage inflation, and this is about getting the job information and job growth going. So this is what I would say. I would say that you want to be equal weight across all sectors. You want to be equal weight across small, mid, and large cap stock, everything in moderation. This is not about macro. This is about picking stocks. And yeah, we're going to have a big rebound in growth. We've already started to see that. Value has kind of run its course, especially on the energy side. But I think the biggest difference in looking at value stocks is you want to be still overweight areas in financials that thematically are scalable, meaning money center banks, asset managers, brokers. I think the regional banks have kind of run their course. I think there's still a great opportunity in the JP Morgans, Bank of America's, BlackRock's, those names. I think there's still a lot more to go there.